Okay, guys, welcome to Vision, uh, the Vision Lab. We're gonna talk about the card lab, part one. Okay, so we can see step number one and step number two and step number three, four. Okay, and prob five is also okay. That is the same that what we did in the last lab. So we finished the last video about this one, the rotating tolerance to 180. So we're gonna start here from step number 6. Under the setup tool, click on the inspected part. Oh, okay, and then so let's see what's that. You can see here you have to figure out this is the setup tool and click inspected part. So we finish everything from the last video. You can see here, and we change the tolerance to 180. Okay, and under the slab tools, choose inspect part. Let me see what's that. Okay, and explain to you. Okay, if you can take a look here, part two. Okay, so we are finishing this one inspection part. Under add tool, click on the plus next continuous tool, read the description, and click on the blobs and read description. Okay, so under add tool, continuous tool, just click here. Okay, don't click here, click here, then read the description, and then click on the blobs and read the description. Okay, guys. Okay, and he asked us to uh, we are the description and click add a box. If you click add, a box will be appear. uh, okay, the box will be appear this box. If you can take a look, just uh, sorry, around just the big symbol. Okay, not the whole card. As you seen in the picture, will be over the whole area of the symbol and does not touch anything else. So if you can take a look here, that should be just cover here. Okay, not just okay, just the symbols with S. That means all the symbols and should not touch anything else. Okay, as you see in the picture, uh, will be over the whole area and does not touch anything. So, for example, if you look to the uh, three of spades, I don't know what's this called, spades. Okay, you can see that the box almost cover the same area. I'm sorry. Okay, this one you can see it just covered the same area, and this is the nine diamonds. Okay, okay, guys. So you have to make sure that. So let's see the. Okay, so we did blobs, and then click add, and see that. Please uh, read the description, and you can see the shape is rectangle, which is this shape is rectangle. Okay, and I'm gonna move this one here, and I'm gonna cover what you want. Okay, okay, let me see. Please cover. But when you cover, guys, please cover the whole because do you know why? Because sometime we have if we put another card, if we need to recognize, so I need everything here to recognize. Okay, okay, so I need everything like as much as possible. But please do not touch number two. Yeah, it's not easy. You have to try. Okay. Well, for me, it takes. Because if I use another card, for example, if there is something here, I have this one to recognize. Okay, but just the okay, I think right now everything is okay. Okay, try to do, guys, as much as you can. Okay, make sure that is not touching. This is more here. This is not touching. Then I'm looking for something more. Okay, I think right now is perfect. Okay, I know it takes time, but you have sometime you may see the error result because here is not is the software sometimes can recognize, sometimes not. So you have to try. Okay, and then we're gonna, because this is rectangle, so we're gonna click OK, and you will see here. You can see this is the shape that I have. Okay. Uh, okay, guys, please follow the instruction. I don't know what's this. Oh, E. Uh, Under Edit Tool and General Change, tool name, go to continuing blob. Under the Edit, so under the Edit, please, you can see here under the Edit. So let's see what I don't want to, I'm gonna follow the first step. So here, when I click, you can see here, and the tool name here, we have to change it. So I'm gonna change it here so you can I'm gonna follow what the instruction, this one requirement for us. So I'm gonna change it to uh, like continuous plus. Sorry, continuing. Con, I'm sorry, counting, not continuous. My fault. Counting. Count. CIU. Counting. That means I'm gonna count un, underscore BLO. But this one is our BLO. Yes, okay. That means we're gonna count how many number that I have. Okay. Okay, and what did he ask us? Okay, oh, if you can take a look here under, so we finished this part, and under Edit Tool in the Tool Fixture, please choose Locating Cards. Okay, that mean uh, okay, guys. So what does mean this one? This mean the system will locate the card firstly, and then he gonna do the count. Okay, or he has to locate the card. Okay, and then do the counting. Okay, so that's why we have to choose here locating. So the system, he will do the locating card, which is locate the card, and then once he do locating card, he will do the counting. Okay, so these two requirements you have to do it, and you have to follow what the paper, and also you have to understand why why we choose this one. Okay, okay, and let me see what is the next step. Okay, okay, step number 7, because we finished this one. So step number 7, under finish, click run job. So we're gonna see where it's finished. There is no finish here. You have to figure out. Oh, this is the finish. So under the finish, we have to click the run job, and see what we're gonna do. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna click under finish, I'm gonna click run the job, Oh, right now the job is run. So you can see here locating card and continuous, sorry, counting blobs, okay? Counting the blobs. So here, what does mean? So let's see the requirement for card part one. Rotating. Sorry, click finish, then click run the job. Rotating the card at any angle you want, but you have to make sure that the long rectangular is on the search region. Okay, and then please press 5 uh, for each time. So let's see. Press 5, that means trigger, which is the same 5, okay? So I'm gonna rotate the card. I'm gonna rotate using my hand and rotating, and you can see, oh, you can see this one, how it's recognized, okay? And rotate it with another one, with another angle. So let's see. Okay, that's why we gonna like do or see here, okay? Uh, okay, guys. So, and I'm gonna rotate again. Okay, sorry, that's my hand. So I'm gonna trigger again. Okay, make sure that this is can locate the card and then also can do counting. You can see the green. That means they can do counting number two. Okay. Uh, let's see the next step. I don't know what we have. You should get a green pass as long as one of the four kind the search. Try to put another card, a different number. Okay. So it's past the locating card and fail with the counting. So let's try another card. So from my card, I will try another number. Okay, so I remove number 2, I will put number 7. Okay, and see the program. Uh, okay, let me see. I'm gonna click number 7, click trigger. Oh, you can see here, this trigger here. This one, guys, is out of the range. You can see here because this is not number 2, so this is number 7. That's why this software can recognize that we have here 7. Okay, okay, we can also rotate to see. We can rotate and just trigger. Hmm. Okay, so locating, he passed. He can locate the card, but counting, no. Counting, this is different number. That why he has here is out of range. Okay. Uh, okay, guys. Let's see something. Okay, if you have a different number, sometimes there is wrong. So you're gonna go to inspect part. Okay, go. Let me see here with this setup tool and go to inspect part. Okay, and on the inspect part. Okay, you can take a look what we have here. Let me see. Okay, you can see here the pattern what we added is 2, but we have here different thing. Okay, uh, okay, I'm gonna show you that if we have a problem, I'll make this one right and hit trigger. Let's see number 2 more. So I'm gonna remove this card and see number 2 back. Okay, and click trigger. You can see this one. Okay, and you can see this one, guys, is passed because here the counting is 2 is the same number. Okay, okay, I will choose another one, another card. If you can take a look here, and I will hit trigger. You can see, okay, so you can see we have different. You can see it's passed the counting, and counting is 2. So that's great. So he passed the counting, uh, but the shape is, I'm sorry, the shape is different because we just recognize the counting. Okay, not the shape. Okay, uh, let's uh, let's go back to this, or let's see another one. Okay, let's see the diamond. So here I'm gonna put the diamond and click trigger. Hold on. Okay, you can see here it's passed, but uh, passed the counting 2 and passed the locating. He can locate the card. However, these different shape, but I just did these two. Okay, uh, I'm gonna follow also. I'm gonna choose also another one and figure out if this is works or not. Okay, let's find another number with another shape. So let's find this number. So I'm gonna put number 3, for example. Let's see number 3. Okay, hit trigger. You can see the count. Count is different. 3 are out of range. Here 3. Okay. However, he passed the locating. He can locate the card. Okay, guys. Uh, okay, guys. So these all that we're gonna do. Okay, and guys, thank you for your watching. Okay, thank you so much.